Newcastle came into this game 8 points adrift at the bottom of the table with only 3 games left and knowing they needed to do what they haven't managed all season, which was to win on the road. They started brightly though, and 2 Gopperth penalties in the first quarter gave them a 6-point lead. Freddie Burns then responded with 2 penalties of his own, with both teams being heavily penalised at the breakdown. Newcastle, having the upper hand at the set piece, were able to manage 2 more positions for Gopperth to extend the lead, and he made no mistake, slotting them both for 12-6 to the Falcons. Then came the first try of the day. With the clock running to half-time, it was again Gopperth heavily involved with a superb offload to Ally Hogg, who wasn't going to be stopped as he went under the posts. And at half-time, the visitors led 19-6. Gloucester knew they would have to respond, and on 45 minutes, Burns narrowed the gap to 9 points. Gloucester, now having all the running, had a number of chances to score, but could only manage another Burns penalty heading into the last 20 minutes. Eventually, though, the resolute Falcons' defence gave way. Replacement scrum half Dave Lewis feeding Akapusi Qera, who barged his way over from short range to bring the scores to 17-19. Burns missed the extras from the touchline that would have levelled things up. 6 minutes later, though, he would have a simple chance to give Gloucester the lead for the first time in the match. Penalty successful, and Gloucester led 20-19. The lead lasted only 2 minutes, with Mike Tyndall being penalised at the breakdown. Gopperth restored the 2-point cushion. With only 5 minutes left, Newcastle's line-out was overthrown, but Mark Wilson reacted quickest and burst his way to the line for one of the most important tries of the season. And Newcastle held on to pick up an historic win at Kingsholm, 29-20.